Well, we love it when Classic Cakes stops by the studio, especially right before St. Patrick's Day.
Yeah, so it's great. We welcome back Chef Robert Bennett from Classic Cakes to show us what they have in store here this weekend for the holidays. So many different options that you can do to get ready for the holiday. You see some of the displays here as well. So maybe explain what you have, Chef.
Well, we have our shamrock cookies, which is a shortbread cookie, traditional Irish soda bread, Irish whiskey cake over here, Irish potatoes, and then with a little twist on the French macaron, we filled it with Bailey's Irish cream.
Ooh, I love that. And we were talking about the Irish potatoes. You said this is very simple. You can even make this at home.
Very simple. Pretty much any standard recipe off the internet. It's cream cheese, butter, confectioner's sugar, and coconut. It's kind of a love-hate. Some people love it, some people can't stand it.
The coconut is the ingredient that either you like it or you don't
exactly.
like it.
So then it's rolled. We'll actually do some, put it into the cinnamon. I can do this real quick.
Okay, yeah, let's show us.
I'll move this to the side so people can kind of
see. When it's done, actually it looks like little potatoes.
I love the finished product, but how do we
excuse
get
my
there?
gloves. I left them in the car.
No worries.
So you just take it, pinch it off, roll it in the cinnamon. Boom. Looks like a little potato right out of the ground.
Oh, yeah. And the mix is already there, ready to go. So you can just pop them in your mouth, too.
So simple, absolutely.
Okay, and so you also got something else that you're working on, too. So if you look to the front of the desk here, you see the macarons here.
So this is it's a famous French meringue cookie, taking the world by storm. Finally, the United States has embraced them. It's been in France for many, many years. It takes a technique, but I can show you real quick.
Yeah,
how
let's see.
So it's egg whites, whipped in copper. You can make them
you got to measure a certain amount of sugar that you measured out that we're just going to dump in while you're doing it.
Just go ahead. So what I'm making is a French meringue.
Now, is there a certain reason you said it has to be in the copper bowl?
It doesn't have to be a copper bowl, but if you whip it by hand, copper and egg whites share a common ion. In a molecular sense, you get a stronger meringue. So I just pre-whipped them a teeny bit right before we came on air.
Okay.
But look how quick it comes together.
That's great. I love the science behind cooking.
Also, now, the macaron can actually be, like we were talking about just before the segment, but it can be a little intimidating for folks who want to do it, but it's not as bad as it appears.
No, it isn't. And actually, I do classes at our new store, 1617 JFK, first Thursday of every month. So April 4th, I'm actually going to show French macaron along with birthday cakes.
That is so exciting. Congratulations.
You want to impress some guests, pull out the macarons. You can some macarons.
I added a little bit of color to the meringue.
Okay.
So we eat with our eyes.
Of course.
This is ground almonds and confectioner's sugar. So I'm just going to fold this together.
Okay.
So there's a technique in everything. So you have to fold it until it actually drops from the spatula. So this takes a little bit of time.
It starts bonding together. It takes a little bit of time.
It does. It does.
And this is the true test, because I've seen a lot of people make it a little differently at this part, and it has not come as beautiful as that one. So the true test is to really fold it. Make sure you get all of it in there.
You need to fold and fold and fold.
Oh, yeah.
So we make thousands of these.
Yeah, and then it might take you a while to do the mix, but once you have the mix good, what are you looking for consistency with the mix?
You're looking for it to come off in sheets as it comes off the spatula. It's not coming off yet, so you can kind of break it down.
Right.
And you said this is a very popular item. How many do you think you go through, especially on St. Patrick's Day?
Well, this is actually our first St. Patrick's Day with the French macaron. So hopefully a lot, but normally we do about 2,000 macaron a week.
Oh, wow.
Every different.
Oh,
you know,
that's incredible.
It's going to get more than that, too. They're really, as you said, they're becoming much more popular here in the U.S.
Yes. So then you just take your bag.
Okay.
Simply pipe. You can actually have a little stencil underneath it so you can pipe out the mounds evenly.
It seems so easy to do, but I know it's a
is.
lot more complicated than that.
Then you're going to take this, go on and on, pipe it out. You actually bang it.
And one more time, your location here, your new location.
1617 JFK in Suburban Station, open 7 days a week.
And you can get some macarons there, take it as well, right? So these are the finished products here.
And they
Irish potatoes you'll have on site as well.
And we already do, absolutely.
That's awesome. So Chef Bennett, thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you for coming on.
Some easy suggestions.